Hello, everyone. My name is Victoria Silverplan Sterling, and I'm a research associate at the University of Toronto's Dalalana School of Public Health. I'm pleased to be joined with Greg Hallen, the Senior Program Specialist and close collaborator at Canada's International Development Research Centre. Thank you for taking the time, Greg, to speak with me today on this compendium of research ideas. So let's start with how this Research Ideas competition came to be.
Thanks, Victoria. Over a number of years, a lot of the work that Canada's International Development Research Centre has supported has been focused on motivating change in policies that create healthier, more equitable food environments for people in low and middle income countries. We were conscious of the need to give more emphasis to how these changes can also make food systems more sustainable and have less impact on the local and global environment. So we want to try to stimulate thinking among researchers and bring researchers from different disciplines together to think about how the public health and environmental goals can be met together. This Research Ideas competition was one way, among others, to try to bring some ideas to the surface and have them developed. In the fall of 2020, we launched this Research Ideas competition, the goal of which was to strengthen policy interventions, population health, environmental sustainability, and equity in low and middle income countries by inspiring novel research ideas in this emerging area of co-benefits for health and environments through food systems change.
So as a research funder, why was this target group chosen for this competition?
For this competition, we focused on early career researchers from low and middle income countries or from Canada whose work is focused on low and middle income countries. In this emerging field of research, we wanted to stimulate and expose ideas that are perhaps nascent and worthy of development. We recognise that early career researchers are often fairly isolated and focused on their own distinct and modest research projects. But this area of research demands more connectivity between disciplines and for ideas to be built by bigger teams. So bringing these ideas to the surface might help in that process.
And what was the role of the University of Toronto's Dalalana School of Public Health during the competition?
IDRC knew that we could benefit from working with a team who understood the field and were motivated by the ambition of the initiative, and also who had a lot of experience in working internationally with academia and in supporting early career researchers. So the team at the Dalalana School of Public Health and at the University of Toronto fitted the bill, and they helped us manage the project from start to finish.
So Greg, what can readers expect from this compendium of research ideas?
In response to these global food systems challenges, the compendium sought to unify the winning research ideas through the lens of co-benefits for health and environment. It provided an opportunity for these researchers to explore conceptual and methodological improvements and innovations to their ideas and to support the study of co-benefits for health and environments, while highlighting lessons for future initiatives and research in this area. The compendium provides expert commentaries on cross-cutting themes, including the integration of gender and equity in health and environment research by Leith Dunn of the Institute for Gender and Development Studies at the University of West Indies. It also provides a commentary by Donald Cole, an emeritus professor at the Dalalana School of Public Health. He provides his experiences of mentoring emerging researchers and examines the intersectoral approaches to food systems change. The ideas and the process of the competition and the development of the ideas contributed to our thinking about future support for food systems improvements. We hope also that other funders can learn with us as we attempt to bring disciplines together around complex problems like food systems. The awardees of the competition spoke frankly about the challenges of making their ideas a reality, including creating opportunities to collaborate and to be supported. The pursuit of co-benefits requires collaboration, great ideas exist among the younger researchers in this field. With the increasing number of interdisciplinary research initiatives, we hope that this competition and the compendium that it generated will provide some interesting insight into this intersection between environmental sustainability and population health.
Wow, great insight, Greg. Thank you so much. On behalf of the team at the International Development Research Centre and the University of Toronto's Dalla Lana School of Public Health, under the guidance of Professors Erica Durigiero and Daniel Sellen, this collaboration would like to thank the 7 awardees, Donald Cole and Leith Dunn, for their commentaries, the time and commitment of the peer review committee, and the contributions of all interested applications.
Thanks, Victoria, and to your team, and to Dan and Erica and everyone else, as you've highlighted. We really strongly recommend that people check out the compendium and look forward to hearing from people who have done so. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Greg, and we look forward to the next collaboration.